What is going on, guys? So today's video we are going to be doing an installation of the dBrand X-ray skin. It's been about a month or so. This has been released, I believe, Black Friday, and I've been doing this pretty late. It just shipped to me, but here it is. Their promotion was to buy one and get both dark version and light versions free. I have a dBrand ghost case right here from my previous video, and I'm going to take this out and install it. I think because I have a clear case, this will look really good with it. Hopefully it's not too snug of a fit that will affect the actual vinyl wrapping, right?